If Audacity is showing error code 0 and still saying success, but your recording fails to start, don't worry. This is usually caused by a microphone permission issue or a driver conflict in Windows 10 or Windows 11. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Audacity recording properly again. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at the most common fix, and that is microphone permissions. Even though Audacity may show the word success, Windows can still block access to your microphone in the background. To fix this, open your Windows settings, then go to Privacy and click Microphone. Once you're there, make sure microphone access is turned on. You want to enable the option that says Allow apps to access your microphone. If that setting is off, Audacity may think everything is fine, but it still won't actually be able to record. After turning that on, scroll through the list of apps and make sure Audacity is allowed too, if it appears there. This simple permission change fixes the issue for a lot of users right away. If you are frustrated because Audacity said success but nothing was being recorded, this is the first thing I check every single time. Now, if you're not trying to record your microphone and instead you want to record audio coming from your computer, then you need to use WASAPI Loopback. This is especially useful if you want to capture system sound, a browser video, or any audio playing through your speakers. Inside Audacity, go to the audio setup area and set the host to Windows WASAPI. Then change the recording device to Speakers Loopback. That tells Audacity to capture what your computer is playing instead of trying to record from a microphone. Just remember, for loopback recording to work correctly, the audio you want to capture actually has to be playing on your system. If nothing is playing, Audacity may appear ready, but there won't be any sound to record, so open the video, music, or system audio you want, and then start recording again. Next, let's fix another common cause of this issue, and that is the device not being detected properly. If you plugged in your microphone after Audacity was already open, Audacity may not always update the device list automatically. To solve that, plug in your microphone before opening Audacity whenever possible. If the microphone is already connected and still not working, go to the transport menu and choose Rescan audio devices. This forces Audacity to check again for any connected microphones or audio devices. This step is quick, but it matters a lot. Sometimes the device is there, but Audacity hasn't refreshed it yet, so it ends up showing a success message while still failing to actually record. A simple rescan can bring everything back to normal without needing to restart your whole computer. If you have gone through these steps and Audacity still won't record, then it's worth checking whether another app is using your microphone. Apps like Zoom, Teams, Discord, browser tabs, or even background audio tools can sometimes hold exclusive access to the microphone and create a conflict. Close any app that might be using your mic, then reopen Audacity and test again. Also, if you're using an external microphone or audio interface, check the cable connection, input level, and Windows sound settings. Make sure the correct input device is selected, and if needed, try unplugging and plugging it back in. Driver conflicts can also cause the same strange behavior, so updating your audio driver from Device Manager or your computer manufacturer's website can help if the issue keeps coming back. The main thing to remember is this. Audacity error code 0 with a success message usually does not mean everything is actually working. It often means Windows has allowed the app to open, but not to record. That's why permissions, correct device selection, WASAPI loopback, and rescanning devices solve the problem in most cases. So to recap quickly, first enable microphone access in Windows privacy settings. Second, if you want system audio, switch Audacity to Windows WASAPI and use the Speakers Loopback device. Third, connect your microphone before opening Audacity or use transport and rescan audio devices if needed. And finally, close any apps that may be blocking your microphone or causing a driver conflict. If this video fixed the issue for you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.